substitute in for x. So is 0 greater than 5? Well, let's look at, here's 0, here's negative 5. The greater number will always be on the right, so 0 is greater than negative 5. I'll put a solid dot. How about 2? Is 2 greater than negative 5? Here's 2, here's negative 5. 2 is farther right, therefore it's greater. How about 4 is greater than negative 5? Let's take a look. 4 greater than negative 5? Well, it's bigger because it's more right, so 4 is greater than negative 5. Let's pick some negative numbers. Is negative 3 greater than negative 5? Now this could be confusing. Here's negative 3 and here's negative 5. Negative 3 is further right, so it's bigger. All the bigger numbers are going to be this way. Negative 3 is bigger than negative 5, and this sign says that negative 3 is bigger than negative 5. So this is true. What about negative 4? Is negative 4 bigger than negative 5? Take a look. Negative 4 is on the right side, so it is bigger. Is negative 5 bigger than negative 5? Well, no, negative 5 is negative 5. So no, negative 5 is not bigger. So we'll put an open circle. How about negative 6? Is negative 6 bigger than negative 5? I'll extend my number line. Negative 6 bigger than negative 5. Well, negative 5 is further right, so negative 5 is bigger. But this sign is pointing towards, or it's open towards the negative 6. So this is false. We'll put an open circle. And as you see, we have a cluster of solutions and a couple non-solutions. Let's try the next one. 6 is greater than a number plus 1. Okay, so this is what we're substituting in for. I'll pick a couple numbers. How about 0? All right, is 6 bigger than 1? Yeah. So am I going to plot 0 or 1? Well, 0 is the number that I plugged in, so I'm going to plot 0. Hence the reason why I'm highlighting. Let's pick another number. How about 4? Substitute in 4. Simplify. Is 6 bigger than 5? Yes. So I'm going to put a circle on 4. How about, I don't know, negative 3? Negative 3 is what I plugged in. Is 6 greater than negative 2? It's further right, so it is. Except I'm going to put the point on 3. Negative 3. How about 3? Is 6 greater than 4? Again, I plugged in 3. This is true, so I'm going to plot a point at 3. What about 5? Is 6 greater than 6? No, it's not, right? Because 6 is 6. How about 7 or 6? Again, I plugged in 6. Is 6 greater than 7? It's not, so I'm going to put an open circle. This process continues for these as well, except, and I'm just going to do a part of this, this says negative 2 is less than or equal to x. So for example, if I plugged in negative 2, is negative 2 less than or equal to negative 2? In this case, this would be true.